I'm Patti Beth Anderson, and I know that there are a lot of you that love to travel but maybe aren't so excited about the packing part. I would like to give you some tips today that maybe will make your packing situation just a little bit easier, a little bit smoother. You know, all of us love to travel, but sometimes the packing and the deciding what goes in the bag is the hardest part. So maybe I can give you some travel tips that'll make you good to go and be out there making memories before you know it. Be tuned in because we're going to be giving you some packing tips from time to time, and maybe this will make the job a little easier for you. Let's talk today about medications. You know, we all have to take a lot of things, and we have all these huge containers of pills and then the airplanes and to carry them on, and the flights tell us to keep them in their original containers. It's just too much to think about. Well, let me just give you a couple of tips on that. Number one, as long as you have your prescription, have the written out prescription from your doctor or from your pharmacist, that's really what you need. The important thing is if you would lose your drugs, you would be able to replace them, especially if they keep you alive. The second thing is the desire to take everything that's in your medicine cabinet. You really don't need that many drugs. So instead of just throwing in all of those bottles and blister packs and tubes, get yourself organized by having a small container. I use a small Ziploc bag like this, and then I have downsized. I've put them in smaller containers, I've marked them, I have travel size tubes, and I have everything from tummy remedies to Neosporin to things for wounds to things for headaches, all here ready to go. And chances are I'm not going to need 86 pills for one certain condition. So put it in a small bag. Every time you get ready to pack your suitcase, you won't have to think about what should I take. Just drop that in and you'll be on the road sooner rather than later. Because when I have this little bag, I'm good to go. That's it for drugs.